Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn Facebook black on PC using the latest update. If you prefer dark mode for a more stylish and eye-friendly browsing experience, I've got you covered. Let's jump into the steps. First, open Facebook on your PC. You can do this by simply heading to the Facebook website in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it, and a menu will drop down with a few options. Now, from this menu, click on Display and Accessibility. This is where you can adjust different visual settings for Facebook, including the new dark mode option. Under the Display and Accessibility settings, you'll see an option called Dark Mode. It will be either set to *off* or *on*, depending on your current settings. To enable dark mode, simply click on On. Once you click On, your Facebook will instantly switch to the black theme, which means a dark background with light-colored text. It's easier on the eyes, especially if you're browsing at night or in low-light environments. And that's it. You've successfully activated dark mode on Facebook, making your entire experience much smoother and less straining on your eyes. Dark mode is a fantastic way to improve readability and make your Facebook sessions more comfortable, especially during those late-night scrolls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.